Non-alcoholic homemade eggnog. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes, 2 hours cooling time. Yield 4 to 5. Description: take one sip of this non-alcoholic homemade eggnog and you will never look back at store-bought versions. It's creamy, thick and smooth. Ingredients: 3 cups whole milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 cups heavy cream, 1½ a teaspoon nutmeg, freshly grated, 3 eggs, room temperature, 4 egg yolks, room temperature, 1/3 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, whipped cream for topping, ground cinnamon for topping, extra nutmeg for topping. Instructions: place heavy cream and grated nutmeg in a large bowl with a fine mesh sieve on top. Set aside. In a saucepan, combine milk and vanilla. Cook over medium heat, swirling occasionally, until bubbles form around the sides and the milk starts steaming. In another bowl, vigorously beat together the eggs, yolks, sugar, and salt for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is thickened and pale. Add in the milk in a slow stream and whisk to incorporate. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon for about 6 minutes. Or until the mixture reaches 165 F. Immediately strain into the bowl with the heavy cream. Place in refrigerator uncovered. Cool completely for at least 2 hours. To serve, pour eggnog into glasses filling only 3/4 of the glass. Top with whipped cream, cinnamon, and freshly grated nutmeg. Notes: this recipe takes 2 hours to set, but for best results, it can be made up to 1 day in advance. The eggnog will keep in the refrigerator for a week.